In this video, we're going to check the motherboard for any corrosion or damages. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel off the heat shield. To take this off, you can stick your fingernail in it, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. You don't need much pressure to take it off. After we took off the heat shield, you can see that there's a little bit of corrosion. This is what's giving us the error 28 and also makes the phone very hot. To put back on the heat shield, it's pretty much the same process as when we take it off. Just put it back on and just give it some pressure so it attaches itself again. For more free tutorials, visit us at iRepair-iPhone.com.